Testimonial. We're here with Barbara and Ollie. So Barbara, you a van lifer before?
This is our third RV.
Okay.
We started on a B+.
Okay.
We then transitioned to a Class A. With Ollie and his health issues, we had decided to have a smaller, more versatile RV.
What are some of the top features of maybe somebody who is thinking about a Grech RV, wanting to maybe make the move, maybe somebody who hasn't yet lived that RV lifestyle? What do you think maybe some of the top reasons why they should, pull the trigger and join the Grech RV family?
Well, particularly downsizing from a Class A, it was a 35-foot Tiffin,
Oh, wow.
and moving to the Grech. We went on an adventure caravan trip up to Canada and Newfoundland. And so with that trip, we would have to leave Ollie in the coach and then go to whatever place the gathering was going to be. And so it was just limiting us because of his diabetes. He has to be monitored as much as possible.
Sure.
So this allows us to be able to go to a restaurant, park in the parking lot, and if it's at an evening time, because we had to pass up going to some of the activities because he has to have his insulin twice a day. So because of all that, this allows us to go to the restaurant, eat with everyone, and then we can go out, get the insulin and give him his insulin, and then continue socializing with the group. So
ideally, not only is it allow you to have better maneuverability, right, with actually driving and operating the RV, but it's allowed more of a freedom of ease with your pet, your other loved one, right?
And the customer service from Grech. We've owned a leisure travel van, we owned a Tiffin. Grech far exceeds any other brand that we've had.
That's been the general consensus among owners.
John Black is outstanding. I'll tell you from our personal experience. Last summer, we were driving, traveling in the RV up to Canada, went up to Banff, and during that time, we were having some problems with the second alternator. But all throughout that time, we were in constant contact with John Black. Personally, he would get back in touch with us. We've tried to find different routes to go that we could go get the work done. It was a new RV, and we're used to having different issues on even new RVs.
Sure.
There's no brand that won't have any issues. But we ended up going to Riverside. We had already planned to go to Riverside where Grech administration is, and ended up, we had an issue with our refrigerator. So because of having a dog with insulin, his insulin had gone bad.
Sure.
We were in California. The vet was based out of Florida, so we had to find a vet to be able to write his insulin prescription, and then have to have a way, because Grech had our RV. John Black personally lent us his own personal vehicle for us to drive to the vet for Ollie to be seen to get the new prescription so we could continue our trip back to Florida.
If that's not top-notch customer service,
you can't find it.
I don't know what is. Yeah, I don't think any other, dealer or ownership group would go that far.
No.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Well, let me ask you one more question. So why this model here? Why the Strata? Like what made you decide on this particular model?
The length, the 24 inches.
Okay.
We didn't want to have to tow. We didn't want to have any boxes or anything on the back of the RV.
So extra space, it gives you just enough.
Right. It gives us enough. I don't want it to look like an RV. I know it's an RV, but it's for us. I don't want to go camping and look like, I want to be able to go to any store or any restaurant like a personal vehicle, not an RV. So it gave us the opportunity to do that.
Another general consensus that I'm hearing from a lot of the other owners is that they want to still have all of these amenities, but they want to still feel like a traditional vehicle pulling in and out of restaurants, supermarkets, other places too, where they're not having to take up 10 different parking spots,
Right.
or have to park in the back 40 of a Walmart
Yeah.
and then walk all that way. So, yeah, well,
So I didn't want out boxes on the back of the RV. That it's a good thing for people who need that
Sure.
extra storage, but for us, I didn't want it to resemble an RV.
sure, sure. Well, Barbara, thank you so much. Ollie, thank you for being such a good pup. We appreciate you both. Thank you for making the trek all the way over here from Polk County. But we're so glad that you're here, and this is your first time at the Motor Enclave.
Yes.
What do you think of this venue?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Would you suggest any of the ownership for the Grech RV owners that did not make the trip to this first Grech RV experience? What would you say to those that missed out on coming to this venue?
Oh, definitely find a way
Right.
to come next year.
I think
Since
they missed out.
plan to do it every year. I think yes, definitely.
Safe to say that they missed out.
Yes.
You could tell them in the camera, say, you missed out.
You missed out.
Barbara, thank you so much. You are an absolute gem. Yeah, thank you.
you.
Thank you.